All right, here we go. Questions. aleese.com. YouTube trend loving fuck. Opal your drinks right now. I'm on ice. We're playing. Seriously, play the make. aleese.com. Oh, all right, here we go. Honestly, aleese.com, incredible fucking work. Shut the fuck up. Oh, aleese.com.
YouTube poop. You smoke poop. They pinch poop. 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 YouTube poop. YouTube poop. YouTube poop. Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
All right, you fucks. This one's for you. Fuck you. Shut the fuck up.
Let's think about your feet.
Nope, I sure won't. Here we go. Question. Oh, we got rated by fucking fucks. Fuck you. Fucking fucks. You fucks. Fuck you. The fucking fucks. This one's for fucking you. Okay? This final one.
The miracle. Call 0800-12-FOOT. That's 0800-666-111.
aleese.com. That was real. aleese.com.
There ain't a cloud. My big giant
Oh, that's Jesus. All right. All you fucks. This one's for you. Opal your drinks right now.
If we go to Metacritic, and I know the divisive nature of Metacritic, however, are we seeing people talking about pronouns and gender ambiguity? No.
Shut the fuck up. Oh, fucks. This one's for you. Fuck you, villains. Opal your Ash. I'm sucking on Ash. I like Ash. Shake video. Don't bring back the shake joke. Sucked. What kind of villain makes something like this? That's a fucking trip down memory. aleese.com. aleese.com. Genuinely seagulls. That's genuinely seagulls. aleese.com. 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 Let's fucking go. aleese.fucking.com. Put on a good Bro has no Thanks for the Damn, we have soups. Fuck off. I had to get a new and I lost the one space I had. Fuck off. Seriously. Jumps. Let's see what we have here. We have.
That's a bingo.
Oh no, I got corrupted. Oh no, they're turning into an airplane. They're turning into an airplane. I need a new car. I had to get a new car. And I lost the 10 plus years. Get your airplane to the sequel. Joke. Bro. Whoa! Let's fuck. It could be. Oh god, you can hear me. Yeah. Get your airplane to the sequel. Get your... The coolest song ever made. It was just so cool. That's a spot on bingo. Go ahead and mark wrote. I'm about to crash. That fucking rules. Shit. Fuck you. That scream sucks. Here we go, everybody. Soup. Shut the fuck up. Specifically, fuck you. Holy shit. Thank you to play my game. aleese.com. Holy shit. Fuck you. Shut the fuck up.
YouTube poop. Where there's smoke, they pinch back.